Have you ever wondered why planets orbit the Sun in an elliptical path and not a perfect circle? This fascinating question about planetary motion has puzzled many. It took the genius of Johannes Kepler in the 17th century to crack the code. Well, this riddle was solved by a man named Johannes Kepler in the 17th century. Kepler's first law, also known as the Law of Orbits, tells us that planets move in elliptical orbits with the Sun at one of the two foci. Imagine an elastic band stretched out, not a perfect circle, but more like a squashed one. That's an elliptical orbit. Now picture the Sun not in the center, but off to one side. That's what we mean by one of the two foci. This law explains why planets don't move in perfect circles, but rather in an elliptical path. The second law, known as the Law of Equal Areas, suggests that a line joining a planet and the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal times. Think of it like a game of tetherball. When the ball, or in this case a planet, is closer to the pole or our Sun, it whips around faster. But as it moves further away, it slows down, taking longer to complete the circle. This is Kepler's way of telling us that the speed of a planet's orbit depends on its distance from the Sun. Finally, Kepler's third law, also known as the Law of Harmonies, relates the time a planet takes to orbit the Sun to its average distance from the Sun. Picture it like this. If you square the time it takes for a planet to complete one orbit, that number is proportional to the cube of the planet's average distance from the Sun. So, if Earth were twice as far from the Sun, our year would be approximately 2.8 times longer. This law allows us to calculate how long a year lasts on any planet in our solar system. To sum up, Kepler's laws explain why planets move the way they do. The law of orbits, the law of equal areas, and the law of harmonies together provide a comprehensive understanding of planetary motion. Thanks to Kepler, we can better understand the wondrous dance of planets around the Sun. For more such videos, like and share this with friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.